Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm actually doing a review on a tool called Sqribble. And this is just a really cool tool that lets you create amazing ebooks and reports within 5 minutes. And a lot of it is without even typing a word. So if you want to learn how to create ebooks, to sell or ebooks for an exchange of an email so you could grow your email list, this is a great tool to be using. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end so you can kind of learn a little bit more about it. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe to my channel today and leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Sqribble as well. So as you guys know, if you have been marketing online, even if it's for only 5 minutes, you'll notice, or you have noticed probably already, that lead magnets and ebooks and reports are a powerful way to build your lists or to simply, sell directly for profit. So you create an ebook and you just want to sell it for profit. But you also know that creating a ebook or a lead magnet or even a report is it's a lot of time consuming, right? You have to create the design, you have to do the writing, you have to format it, and it could become very overwhelming, especially if you've never done it before. And that's why this new product caught my attention. And as you guys know, it's called Sqribble, and it's an online tool, and it helps you instantly create professional ebooks, reports, white papers if you need any, but pretty much any type of digital book within a few clicks or taps, which is really, really nice. And the concept is not new. You've probably seen many of these tools out there. The difference between, I would say, Sqribble and other ebook creator tools out there is that what I've noticed with the other ones is that they have crappy templates. They always have a problem. They always have like a bug, or they're not reliable. Customer service is horrible. And they often require additional tools to be able to use it. And with Sqribble's different. It automatically is packed with professional templates that are super beautiful. They have covers that come included. And I think the most impressive thing for me, I haven't had any crash, and it has worked really, really great without any bugs. And I think for me, the most remarkable out of everything from Sqribble is that it comes loaded with amazing tools already, so you could start using it right away. So it has automatic table of content, it has automatic headers and footers, it has drag and drop design, you're able to add or delete pages, you're able to add your own media if you need to, like your own images. It comes with 300 Google fonts. It brings 50 ebook templates in 15 different niches. You also get options of 10 different ebook themes. Automatically create content for you, which is a huge one because that's going to save you time. And if you need to turn this ebook into like a flip book, you actually can, which will also increase your sales because a lot of people out there want that physical book versus an ebook. So if that doesn't, make you say, okay, I need Sqribble in my life, apart from this, it saves you tons of time, which is like the one thing that I love about it. And you can make money creating ebooks. This is one of the things that a lot of people do. Whatever you're good at, whatever your niche is or your passion, you could literally turn that into money by creating an ebook. And this is why I first started my search for some type of ebook online, because I actually have a book which is helping. It's like a personal development book that I'm working on, and I wanted to expand it. I actually did it a couple years ago, and now I'm creating like a part 2 of the personal development book, and I'll be using Sqribble for that. Um, but it's beautiful, it's easy to use. As you can see, you can make these beautiful books here like this. And keep in mind that as a whatever business you have as a small business owner, whether you have a blog, whether you have an Etsy shop, whether you have any type of niche out there, an ebook is just a great way to give something to someone in return of them giving you an email exchange. And this is how a lot of people build their email list to remarket those people again later on, by creating an ebook of whatever their niche is about. And it's really, really, really great. These days, your ebooks cannot look like crap, because people are not gonna want to opt in and buy or read it or sign up for your email. And because people are busier than ever, they will only spend a couple of seconds like looking at it and deciding whether your book is worth reading or not. But when you use Sqribble, you can instantly create a book that screams like trust, credibility, value. It's going to attract more subscribers and sales. So creating an ebook, it is, it's always been like a pain for a lot of us as marketers. But Sqribble, it really doesn't have to be that way. It makes it so easy to use with just a couple of clicks, and then you choose the template, add the content, tweak the layout, and then you just publish it within minutes. So instead of spending, hundreds of dollars, or even hiring like a freelancer, or you trying to figure it out with some fancy software, I highly recommend to give Sqribble a test drive first. I think you will be amazed at how powerful and easy quick the whole experience can be for you. So guys, if you're interested in learning more about Sqribble and how to create ebooks or PDF formats, make sure that you check out the link. I will leave it below on the comments section, as well as below this video. That way you guys could go ahead and check it out. But I highly recommend that if you're looking for some type of ebook that you can start promoting your products or services, that way you could start growing your business and your email list, I highly recommend that you start that with Sqribble. So let me know in the comment sections what you guys think about it once you click on the link and try it out. And thank you guys for watching.